Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wala pa yung ulayan nung dati.
Na-repair na talaga. Na-repair na.
Bibig to. Tapos yung mga kapaligid na bigyan.
Come on, let's go.
Lahat nabagsakan ng nabagsakan ng mga
Debris.
debris.
So we could... Where?
How many buildings used to be there? Say two.
Ito yun, nakita niyo to, Ana?
Where?
Ito.
Say two.
Yung mga
Ah,
bahay.
bakit?
And the facts.
Ah, ito yung mga...
All countries, all religions, all cultures were
We are...
Tayo eh.
There you go. Hi, cats. Hi, chef. We're heading to the 9/11 Memorial to see the Ground Zero.
To commemorate the 9/11.
Yeah.
May we never forget.
Yes.
That's the new World Trade, One World Trade Center. Globetrotter na ang
Correct. Prohibited item. Why there's a prohibited item?
Ay, ako, makikita kong plane natin.
Alam mo na isasagot mo. Here we are at 9/11 Memorial. Chef is visiting the 9/11 on his birthday. So kind. It's Chef's birthday today, and we are having our Korean lunch with our dear friend Katrina. Yes. Hi. Chef's birthday. Annyeong sayo. Annyeong lupa. Annyeong langit. Alright, chef is cooking again the pork, and Kato is enjoying her. Yay! Thank you. Yung pagkain natin, hindi na.
May pagka-boring doon sa kasal. Ikaw lang bala, pasayin sa sarili mo doon.
Sarap?
Sarap.
Ang sarap. Busog.
Thank you.
Birthday boy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
We are here at Serendipity Cafe. It's birthday of my husband.
Wow.
From the movie Serendipity. Okay.
Nahanap ko yung clip eh.
Sa trailer na.
Dream? Sure. We're now 45-minute wait. I called a while ago. They said they're full.
There,
Actually, like 10 minutes ago.
I mean, I still have 40 of them.
The Plaza Hotel, where the Bride Wars movie was shoot.